Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to set the time and date on your Timex Expedition watch. This is going to be the newer 40mm model from Timex that we have available right now. So the cool thing about this date complication is that it can be set in both directions. So you can go even backwards. So instead of 30, I can go back to 29. So not just only forward. When it comes to setting the time and date, the first thing that we want to do is to set the date 1 day prior to our actual end goal, so that we can go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock, arrive on the desired date, and then see whether we are AM or PM. So that is why we go 1 day prior to the actual date. So something that you want to do is to make sure that your hour hand is not between 9 and 12 o'clock, because that is where the date wheel is going to engage on this particular model. But if you want, you can pull the crown to the last position and always set the time at 6:30. This is going to be something very useful for both quartz and mechanical watches, especially mechanical watches. You first want to set the time at 6:30. Then we are going to push the crown all the way back in. I'm going to pull it to the first position, and let's say that our end goal is going to be the 25th. What I want to do is to make it the 24th, 1 day prior. As I mentioned, on this particular model, I can go backwards as well, just like that. As you can see, I can go backwards. That is something really cool. And if I rotate in the opposite direction, I'm going to go forward. So once again, let's say that my end goal is going to be the 25th. I'm going to make it the 24th. In case you have an older version or a different model that only goes forward, you are going to go past 31 and then arrive at 24. Now I have arrived on the 24th. I'm going to pull the crown to the last position, and now I'm going to go with the watch hands manually past 12 o'clock. As you can see, the date did not change. So that means we were AM, now we are PM, and now you are going to see that the date wheel is going to engage between 9 and 12, so it is going to start to move a little. As you can see right now, it started to change, and as we go past 12 o'clock, it is going to fully change, as you can see right here. So now I know that I am on the 25th, so my desired date, and it is 6 AM. So 6 in the morning. If I want to leave it at AM, I'm going to push the crown all the way back in. And if I want to make it PM, I'm going to go past 12 o'clock once again. As you can see, the date did not change this time, and I can make it 6 PM. So it is going to be 6 in the afternoon, or 18. As you can see, we also have military time. Once you have correctly set the time, push the crown all the way back in, and that is all. That is how you set the time and date on your Timex Expedition model. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, leave a comment. It really helps the channel grow, so please make sure to do that, and I'm going to see you on the next video.